Missing at idle? Smelling raw fuel from the stacks? And poor fuel economy are signs that it may be time to replace the fuel injectors in your C15. Minimize downtime and negative impacts to your revenue. Replace your fuel injectors with a set of Black Series flow-matched injectors for your Caterpillar C15 from Highway and Heavy Parts. The Black Series fuel injectors are rebuilt to create an efficient and powerful fuel delivery system for your C15. Every set is balanced and flow-matched on industry-leading specialized fuel injection equipment. Tolerances are measured to the millionth of an inch to allow for the containment of extreme pressures. This results in a performance that will far exceed other fuel injectors. The Black Series delivers fuel at the precise time. We diligently measure from start to end of injection. The start and end of injection needs to match the position of the piston for power, fuel efficiency, and emissions. Electrical energy is measured specifically to optimize the timing and fuel quality. In turn, this will supply energy to the engine, ensuring it operates flawlessly. When all these steps are done correctly, you have a very powerful injector delivering smoother RPMs, a crisper throttle response, and more power. And don't forget to check out HHP's wide selection of diesel engine parts, keeping your truck out of the service bay and on the road with Highway and Heavy Parts. Backed by a 1-year warranty and industry-leading service from our ASE certified technicians. Connect with Highway and Heavy Parts for industry-leading technical knowledge, quality diesel parts, and fast shipping. Order now by calling 844-447-1453 or visit us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. From diagnosis through delivery, we will be there.